Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the League of Legends client is not opening on your Windows. Several times you're trying to launch it and this is not opening, so let's go quick into the process. First is we need to locate the League of Legends client desktop icon. Now if you don't have it on your desktop as one of the desktop icons, just simply search for client, like League, and that will appear the League of Legends client. Make a right click and then select run as administrator. Try running the application as an administrator and let's see if this will work. So in most cases, this will work. So you can just simply sign in with your credentials from here and enjoy the game. So next method is we need to again locate the League of Legends client on the desktop icon and then select show more options. Click on properties. Now the League of Legends client properties will be up. So what we can do, just simply click on the compatibility tab. Then here you will find disable full screen optimizations. If this is unchecked, just simply check this. Run this program as an administrator, also check that. Click on apply and then OK. Then next method is we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated, as outdated graphics card can also be the cause of the issue. So simply right click at the start button and then select device manager in the list of options. The device manager window will appear. Now we have to look for the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now you might have a different graphics card driver from mine. So I have the Intel RUHD graphics. You might have from Nvidia or AMD. Just do the same process. Make a right click, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows and also update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So once you click on this button, this will check for updates, and after that, this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Now close this once this is done. Then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart to Windows. And after that, you need to launch the League of Legends client. Now for the final method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using third-party antivirus softwares like Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, because sometimes this can block the application from launching. So simply click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. So if you are using any of those third-party antivirus softwares, then you can simply close it from here and click on the Windows security icon. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you'll find Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings. Then disable the real-time protection. Now once you disable the real-time protection, launch the League of Legends application. And once it has been launched, then you need to go back to the same Windows security window and enable it, because this is a very important security for your Windows. So that's it. If any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.